Hello everyone, welcome to Money Nook. In this video, let's talk about budget. After watching this video, you will have two takeaways. First is to understand what is a budget, and then to understand why all of us should have a budget. So let's see what a budget is. Budget is nothing but balancing your income and expenses over a time period. This time period can be as low as a week, or it can go as high as a year, 5 years, 10 years, or your lifetime as well. So now, why should we balance it out first of all? Why can't it be simply income equals to expenses? You spend whatever you earn. Why can't you do so? Because, first reason, you may have some unplanned expenses. Let's say you are in an accident, or you have a medical emergency, or you are not feeling well. In these situations, you would need more money in order to come out of this issue. But if you have already spent whatever you have earned, then you will have nothing to spend in time of need. Now, the second reason is you may have expenses in the future, more expenses, I mean to say. For example, if your kids are graduating, then you will need a lot of money for their college fees, etc. Then your income might not be equals to your expenses, and you will not have any money which you have saved. Similarly, let's say you have retired, then you will have your expenses, but you are not earning any money because you have retired. Now you will have no money to spend because you have already spent whatever you have earned till then, and you are earning nothing now. Moving on to the third reason, you might have some personal goals or aspirations. For example, you might want to start up something of your own, you might want to retire early, or you may have some personal passion which you want to pursue. In these circumstances, you will not have any money, or probably you will have very less amount of money, at least for a certain period of time. So, for this period of time, your expenses cannot be met as you don't have any income. Looking at these three scenarios, it is very clear that our initial plan to simply spend whatever we earn will not work out. So, what should be the right approach? The right approach should be you should divide your income into expenses to spend now, savings for the future, and invest a part of it into assets or some investment options. These savings and assets plus investments can be used for your future expenses, and they can also be given to your next generation as an inheritance. If we have to ensure that this equation works perfectly well for us in each and every circumstance, and if we have to ensure that our needs, wants, and dreams are met in every scenario, and also we are updated if we are on track or off track for our goals, then we should plan our money according to this equation. This planning is nothing but budgeting for ourselves. Now we understand why budgeting is important. In order to find out how we should do it, please check out further videos in my budgeting series. Thanks for watching this video. If you find the content useful, please like this video and share it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to Money Nook. And don't forget to watch remaining videos in Know Your Basics playlist. Thank you and bye bye.